Hold on. A black cat crossed my path. Bad luck for them.
The ball is full, but Kimball seems so dull and in my digger hole, I bury bones within your
Do you really expect me to be a good boy?
No, Mr. Flump. I expect you to die.
You say